So we are going to actually run nginx and Tomcat with the port binding exercise as well. So in our previous sample application is in fact running nginx internally. All right, so nginx and Tomcat, they are in fact running on port 80, I believe, right? So here, we are going to do the same thing, and we're going to actually we can use the capital P and small p, and it should work pretty much the same. All right. Okay, so let's actually do exercise 5. So we are going to run. So we are going to run docker run ng. I will actually run it in the background. I'm gonna name it as name my nginx, and we're going to use the -p. So we are going to ask Docker to assign a random host port number, and then it's going to be called nginx. Okay, all right. And then we are going to see the port that has been assigned, and again we are going to just use the browser to access it. All right, so it's pretty much the same exercise we have done in the previous case. So here we're gonna see port. Here we are, in this case we are using -p first. So I'm assigning 8092, and then we are gonna check the Docker machine IP address, and we can just use the call command if you have a call command available, and then it should actually return welcome to nginx message. Or you can actually go to the browser. You can use a browser to go to this page, and you are going to see welcome to nginx like this. Okay, and Tomcat should work pretty much the same. In the case of Tomcat, you use the capital P. All right, and in this case, the randomly assigned port number is 32772 to 8080. So Tomcat is exposing port 80. Okay. All right. So this is done. So we're gonna say docker ps, and here we have nginx, and it's assigned the this 32771. So we should be able to say docker. First of all, we have to get the IP address, right? Docker machine IP. And we should be able to call 192.168.99.99.100, and the port number is 32771, and we should actually see thank you for using nginx, right? And also we should be able to do the same thing using a browser. So we can and you should actually see welcome to nginx, and Tomcat should work the same. Okay, so I'm gonna let you guys actually do this quick exercise. I'll give you 2 or 3 minutes to finish this up, and then we're gonna move on to the next topic. Next topic is basically how